Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today for you guys, I have another unboxing slash review. Sorry, I know I'm doing so many of these, but I've just kept getting new shoes in. And I want to show you guys what I am picking up because I think I like them personally, so I think you guys might like them as well. So today for you guys, I have one of my all-time favorite Nike models in Nike Air Force 1 Low. These are a premium one that just came out recently. So I'm very happy I was able to get them. I did get them off Nike Sneakers. I believe they still have some sizes left. Last I checked, I know all like the regular sizes sold out, but I think there's like some bigger sizes and some smaller sizes like always. That kind of lingered on there and might still be available. And they might have restocked because I thought these were going to be a very limited release, but they ended up being pretty easy to get. But this is one of those shoes they were supposed to release a week before they actually did, and then for some reason it seemed like the day of the drop I was on waiting and it said move to I believe the 20th of November. Honestly, I don't really remember. I'm just happy I was able to get them. I'll show you guys a overview of the box. Honestly, I was hoping they'd come in like a really crazy box because of the whole theme of the shoe, but sadly it came in just a regular Nike Air Force 1 box that the newer ones have came in. Here's a look at the box. Just has Nike Air Force 1, nothing around the edges, the regular bottom like always, and then the size tag for reference. Again, got these in a 13, my true size, thank goodness. I contemplated going for 12.5 just because Forces do run a little big, but I was like, I'll just keep it safe, get a 13. It's probably a better chance of getting them than 12.5. Like I said, they are the Air Force 1 Low 1-800s if I haven't already. So let's just get into the shoe. I'll give you guys the first look. And boom, there are the shoes. These are one of my favorite shoes to come out this year. For some reason, something just drawed me to this shoe. And ever since I saw them online and on Nike Sneakers, I knew I had to buy them. At first, you might just think they're an all-white Air Force with a sail midsole, gray bottom, and gray swoosh, but they are reflective and have a ton of little phrases like 1-800 on the toe, call today, toll-free. It's a very cool concept and one of my favorite shoes, like I said. As some of you might have noticed already on this channel, I am very into Air Force 1 Lows. For some reason, it's something about them. I wear them all the time. I have a main pair that I just beat to the ground every day, and they're the Air Force 1 Low Nike Days. Sadly, I regret it because I believe those are close to 300 now in my size, brand new. I got them from retail at a Foot Locker, and I just beat them. I think I'm on year 2 of wearing them now, so yeah. They're just a great overall shoe. You can never go wrong with an Air Force, and they look good with sweats, jeans, baggy pants, skinny jeans, basically everything. But as you get into the shoe, one thing you might notice right off the bat is these right here. They're old phone buttons to dial someone, and it says AF1 on them. It's definitely a really cool touch, which makes, I think, the price definitely worth it. Retail on these was $130 plus tax, I believe. Let me just double check that real quick. Yep, retail was $130 plus tax. So I really do think they're worth the money. I think it's what, $30 upcharge, because I know like a lot of premium Air Force Ones that aren't just like the all white or the all blacks or like the ones with like that are like a black base with a small color or a white base with a small color are like 90 to 100. So I think these are 20-30 over that because they are an 07 premium pair. One thing that you might not be able to tell, but like I mentioned, it has a gray swoosh, a gray outsole, and a sail midsole, so it gives you that vintage look, which kind of goes with the whole theme of the 1-800 call now, like old telemarketing commercials that you might see on TV. You might have. I definitely remember seeing them when I was younger and as a kid. One of my favorite parts of the shoe is the inside. I'm not sure if you can really see it, but it has just the whole 1-800 design all in there. and then the tongue says 1-800 on it, and then it has 1-800 on the back. So it basically just exchanges the Nike for the 1-800 all over the shoe. I cannot complain at all about this shoe. I haven't put them on yet. I'm very excited to wear these. I'm definitely not gonna wear them as much as my Nike days, just because I do want to keep these nice. But here's a closer look up front. You might be able to see the 3M, I'm not really sure with the light shining, but they come with white laces, a white tongue. I believe the sock lining is a gray. I'm probably wrong. I have no idea. Like I said, I am colorblind, so I honestly have no idea. But I'll read you the colors off the box. They are white, vast gray, sail, and black. So very monotone, easy to wear colors, and a great shoe to have that on. And for if any of you guys are wondering, it does say AF1 on both. I was hoping one would say AF1 and the other would say like 1, 2, 3 or something. Before I end the video and give you guys the close-up shots on these shoes and an on-foot look, I do want to thank you guys for joining and watching the video. It means a lot that you guys are here. I appreciate it. I hope everyone has a great day. If you'd like to like, comment, and subscribe, that would mean a lot to me. Definitely helps out grow the channel, which hopefully it will happen soon. If not, I'll keep working, we'll keep going. I'm not gonna stop giving you guys content, that's for sure. Sneakers are a true passion of mine, and I just want to share it with everyone, because I feel like so many people deserve to know about shoes, because there's so much into it, from designs to history to the culture. Everything that shoes have to do in the world, I feel like it's just crazy, and it brings so many people together. And that's like a big thing of this YouTube, is I don't really have a lot of people that to talk about shoes with or acknowledge the significance of shoes, at least to me. So this is kind of a way to just get it out there. But anyways, I'll stop rambling and I'll get you guys a closer look at the shoes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.